I mean, honestly, I embarrass my own self, so I'm not mad that I'm on this camera like this because I'm still cute. Today we're putting on a wig, obviously. If I come on the camera like this, I mean, pretty much you already know what's going on. But basically, we're going to be putting on a wig, and it's from Yolissa Hair. Thank you, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. I'm excited because I want to do, like, basically, before I even jump in this video, I need to explain this game plan to you, okay? Okay. So I really want to do, like, this, like, half up. You guys have seen this hairstyle. I haven't done it because I just be late to the train or just don't care. I'm not really sure which one it was this time, but it doesn't matter. So I want to do like this half up, half down, the flip up. Y'all all have seen that before. I just feel like this would look really cute, and I want to do it. And that's the tea behind it. Let me grab the wig because I'm looking quite crusty. This is basically the wig. It's like a 22-inch. I don't think that I'm going to keep it 22 inches just because I kind of want, I don't know. I'm really debating if I want it to be here or if I want it to be here. Whoop. Okay. We're on my phone. Shut up, don't say nothing. I had to do my edges off. I'm trying to make a little swoop. But I had to do my edges off camera because my camera died, which is annoying. So, and I needed to get to this next step. So that's what we're doing right now. I needed to show you the swoop. It was imperative. I feel like if I didn't, people would have been like, are you serious? Like, so you gonna show how to do everything else but the swoop? That would have been just disrespectful. I would have said that if I was watching somebody do this. Okay. I'm thinking pretty flat. We're gonna curl this because we want it to easily sit under the hair. That's what we want the slip through. Have this effortlessly sit behind my ear. See how we're kind of getting there. So we're gonna have this. I still gotta. Ooh. Okay, let's see what all I need. Oh shit! I just pulled the freaking bang. I'm tired of myself. Okay. Cute, cute. We love. Let me see if it's actually. Let me see the swoop. Let me see the artistry. Oh, I really do like it long, but that's what I'm over here for. Okay. Maybe I can cut it to here. I'm gonna keep this part. I'm gonna probably cut it with it. Just cause I want it all to be the same length. Because I don't like when it's not the same length. It kind of looks weird, like choppy. Now some people get scared to cut hair. I actually just love it. You just be like, yeah, cut your hair off. And then some people will be like crying on the floor. Like, oh God, I can't believe I did that. Why would I do something like that on my hair? Okay, yeah, guys, this is gonna go behind my ear because I think I'm gonna have a breakdown if I keep trying to fix it. I think it's gonna be so cute. Me and my friend Layla, we're gonna go. I think y'all know Layla. If you don't, you should. Like, if you follow me, you'll always see her. What is this? She has a YouTube channel too. I'm gonna link it below. But we're gonna go get some sushi tomorrow, because if you don't already know, I eat that shit all the freaking time. And I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Somebody gonna be like, oh my God, what about the fishes in the sea? I don't know, sis. I don't know. We're gonna go get some good food and look cute and take pictures and try to be content creators. Oh my God, there's so much hair on my face. Boop. And that's what you call attached. Right. This is getting cute. This is getting cute. I have rollers that I bought. And I'm debating, I don't like sleeping with rollers, that's the only thing. Like, they cool, they don't hurt that much. I could though. Cute guys. I don't know, it has to go in the outfit. Oh my god, that flip just made me. Guys, don't refer me to Tati no more. Refer me to that beach. I'm not even playing with y'all. Oh my god, this is so cute! Okay, this is what it looks like. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? If you want to know where this set's from, it's from Fine Girl. It's the short set. It's the good set. Guys, this is what it's looking like. Edges, lace wear, we don't know. I don't detect her. She's not here. For a second we did detect her, but now we don't. Edges going crazy. The ponytail, I feel like I could have did it a little bit sleeker, but I had to do what I could do with my fingers right now. But tomorrow I'll probably, I don't know, put more love and care. I'm just tired and hungry. I haven't became hangry yet, so that's a good thing. This is so cute, guys. Y'all like it? You like it? Ah! Okay. All right. Well, I'm coming back tomorrow just because I want y'all to see what I look like full glam with this hairstyle. But it's already very much giving cute, giving I need to go somewhere. I'm looking bad, man. And that's just it. So I'll be back tomorrow when my camera needs to charge as well, because this is quite dry for me. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Finally, I have my camera back. I'm done. Well, I'm done getting dressed. You guys didn't even see that part, but I wanted to come back and show you guys what it looks like. It looks so cute. I look so cute. But yeah, I decided to cut the ponytail shorter because I was talking to my friend and he was like, girl, you look stupid. So I just cut it a little bit shorter. And don't mind my room. I just literally been getting dressed right now and my room looks like a train hit it. But yeah, this is it. I just wanted to show you guys and say goodbye because I feel like that would have been kind of mean if I didn't. So I love you and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like this. Try this out. I feel like everybody's tried this out. I'm just late to the train.